National Bike to Work Day, and so we decided to expand it to coming to school in any way that you can that involves wheels. Melissa Anton, a school nurse at Johnnycake Elementary School. So the idea of walk, bike, roll to school day is to promote different ways of getting to school that do not involve cars, to promote a healthy environment, but it also promotes healthy students because they're getting more exercise in different ways.
I like walking because I like my family.
The importance of this event today is, one, to promote health and wellness, but most importantly, to encourage our kids, show them the right way to bike to school. We provided helmets and other bike accessories to promote this event and just supporting our school.
Yeah, I think it's really important that students get out there and get moving. There's so many other distractions that keep kids sitting, like video games, the cell phone. So this is one way that we're making it a fun way, and they have to come to school anyway, so this way they can get some exercise just before they get to school.